Welcome to Trumpia, the innovator in text message automation. Today, I'll walk you through our platform to help you navigate more effectively, ensuring you have a smooth experience with our software. Firstly, you can navigate here to view your username, available text credits, options to purchase credits or plans, or to sign out. Let's proceed to your inbox. Here, you will find all inbound messages sent to your account, including keywords, votes, two-way messages, and Workbench alerts. Next is our contact section. Here you can manage your distribution list, add contacts manually or import, and create custom data fields to store a variety of contact information that you can use for targeting your messages. After the contact section comes a mass message section. Here you can compose your SMS, MMS, email messages all in one place. Next up is our campaign section. In this section, you'll find our opt-in collection tools like keyword, quick form, and online sign-up page. Automation. Here lies our most powerful tool within our system, known as Workbench. Workbench empowers you to construct automated workflows, saving you time and resources. Next up is our integration page. Here you'll discover all built-in integrations with Trumpia. Let's navigate to our settings section, where you can access all your account settings, including plan information, organization profile, API settings, and notifications. After you finish watching the video, one of the next steps will be setting up your account. The first step is your organization profile. Here, you will input your organization's information. Please be cautious of the shared information section, as it will be visible to your contacts. Next, you'll verify your mobile number. After that is the import certification. Here, you'll input the name used when creating your account and click Sign. Finally, you will need to set up your texting number. You will find that a texting number has already been chosen for you. After finalizing this texting number, you will need to verify it. It is a crucial step to complete the verification process, as you won't be able to send messages until this is completed. You'll find the link to that form within this step. And that concludes our brief overview of Trumpia. Additionally, we offer a wide range of tutorial videos listed below for your reference.